How to record our original voice for Instagram Reels in iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Instagram application on your phone. Once inside, tap the plus icon located at the bottom of the screen to create a new post. From the menu at the bottom, swipe over and select the Reel option to begin. Now, tap on the record button to capture a video clip. When you are finished recording, tap on the next button in the bottom right corner. This takes you to the editor. Here, swipe left to find and tap on the microphone icon at the bottom panel. You can now tap on the record button to record your voiceover for the reel. After you are done, tap on the arrow at the top right corner as shown. Finally, tap on share to post the reel with your original voice. Following these steps, you can easily record an original voice for Instagram Reels on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.